In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to standardize column widths in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet looks messy because every column is a different size, these simple techniques will help you create a clean, consistent layout in just a few clicks. First, here's the fastest way to make every column the same width across your entire sheet. Click the small square in the very top left corner where the row numbers and column letters intersect. That selects the whole sheet at once. Now move your mouse to the right edge of any column header until you see the double-sided resize cursor. Click and drag left or right to set the width you want. As soon as you release the mouse, every column on that sheet snaps to that exact same size. This is perfect when you want a uniform look for printing, sharing, or quickly tidying up a wild spreadsheet. If it doesn't look right on your first try, just drag again until it feels balanced with your data. If you want precision instead of guessing, you can choose an exact width in pixels. Highlight the specific columns you want to standardize by clicking and dragging across their headers. Then right-click on the highlighted headers and select Resize Columns. In the dialog box, type the exact pixel value you want, something like 120, and confirm. Those columns will update immediately to the size you entered. This works for one column or many at once, and it's ideal when you need a consistent look across multiple sheets or when you're matching a team standard. Because you're using the same number every time, your layouts stay aligned wherever you reuse them. Finally, if you want Google Sheets to size everything to fit your content perfectly, select the entire sheet again using the top left square, then double-click the boundary between any two column headers. Sheets will automatically resize every column so the widest cell in each column fits neatly without cutting off text. This is a great way to clean up imported data or mixed entries where some columns are tight and others are too wide. Just keep in mind that if a cell contains a very long entry, that column might expand quite a bit. If you prefer a uniform look after that, simply apply the first or second method to bring everything back to a consistent width. That's it. 3 straightforward ways to standardize your columns. Use the quick drag for uniformity, the pixel entry for precision, and the double click for content-based sizing. Try them out and pick the one that best matches your workflow.